let's say this is you and this is me. Give myself a mustache even though I actually have a full beard. So there you go. I have a healthy head of hair as well. So there you go. That's you and me. And let's say that there is a toy that you really want. I'm trying to make it look like a little nicely wrapped gift here. Now, the toy here is $20. Currently, you have $5. And so you come to me and you say, I really want that toy. And I say, well, that's great. Just keep saving your money. And if whenever you get the money, just put it away. And eventually you'll have $20 and you'll be able to buy that toy if you still want it then. But then you say there's actually a problem, which is making you sad. And that's that this toy is one of a kind, or maybe it's the last one at the store. And when they put the new version, the price is going to go up to $200. So you really need to get this one, and you need to buy it now, because if you don't buy it now, it's going to go away and you'll never get that opportunity again. And so I feel sorry for you, and I say, okay, well, I do have some money. I can lend you $15. So I am going to give you $15 today so that you can get your toy. And this is starting to make you happy. But I'm saying, look, I'm not just going to give you money just because I'm a nice person. I'm going to lend it to you. So I am the lender. You are borrowing that money from me. You are the borrower. And what does it mean to borrow? That means that I expect you to pay me back that money at some point in the future, once you have saved it. Let's say I say, in a year, you need to pay me back that money, $15. But not just that money. I could use that money somewhere. I could use it to have some fun or do something with it right now. So I want you to pay a little extra. I want you to just not pay the $15. I want you to pay another $5 on top of that when you pay back that money. So I want you to pay me $20 in a year. Now, what I have just done is I have extended credit to you. Credit is when someone is lending money to you so that you can use that money now, buy something now instead of buying it later. Now, usually when you're borrowing money and someone is extending credit to you, or you're buying something on credit, they're not just going to give you exactly that amount of money or just lend you that amount. They're not going to want you to just pay back that amount. They're going to want you to pay back more. Here, you're paying back $5 more. This amount that you're paying above and beyond what you borrowed, this is known as interest. And this is really one way to think about it is, this is the money that you are paying to the lender for the right to borrow that money right now. So what are the pros and cons of credit here? Well, the pros are that you can get something right away. You can get that gift. In this case, maybe you feel that you really needed to. In other situations, maybe you are just impatient and you want it right now. You don't have to wait to save up. Now, what's the cons, or the con, no pun intended with my last name, is that you're going to have to pay it back later, usually with interest. And if you don't pay back on time, it's going to it might cause a lot of problems. Depends on how nice of a lender I am. Depends what I agreed. Maybe I go start taking things from you if you haven't paid me back on time. In the future, you'll learn about things like credit scores, where it's really your reputation as a borrower. If you don't pay me now, then in the future, I'm not going to lend you. And I'm going to tell everyone you know, never lend to this person, no matter what they tell you. So you have to be very careful. And it's very tempting to spend money that you don't have, but you can easily, when you do that, start to rack up a lot of debt. When you borrowed that $15, you have $15 in debt, money that you owe to someone else. And it's very tempting to just borrow and spend, but then at some point it might be more debt than you can handle.